You guys have still problem in knowing the values of the angles for trigonometric ratio 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, today here is the wow trick, right? Let's find out. See, I am drawing my fingers here, correct? Have a look. These are my fingers drawn. Correct. So now thumb has got a value 0 degree. Forefinger has value 30 degree. Middle finger has got a value 45 degree. The ring finger, okay, 45 degree. The ring finger 62 degree. And a baby finger, a pink finger, 90 degree. Right? Now here is a rule. For sine theta, let's write it from a bit away. Sine theta is equal to root over of number of fingers below divided by 2. Right now, let us apply it. Okay. Now sine 0. Sine 0 degree will be equal to number of fingers below. So no fingers below. Correct. So 0. Root over 0 by 2. So that gives you 0. Correct. Now sine 30. Number of fingers below is 1. Root over 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2. Correct. Now sine 60. Number of fingers below 1, 2, 3. So root over of 3 divided by 2. So root 3 by 2. Correct. Now sine 45 that I missed out is equal to number of fingers below 2. So root 2 by 2 is equal to, see here, small problem that I'll solve for you. See, root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2. So these two root 2 cancels out, 1 by root 2. Right? So it is same as 1 by root over 2. Correct. Any angles left out? Yeah. Sine 90. Sine 90 will be equal to number of fingers below 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Root over of 4 and by 2. That is equal to 1. Right? So we have got sine 0 as 0. See, all values will tally. So this is a wow trick. Now we move over to the, for what, how do we get cos values, correct? Now let us see what we have for the values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree for cos. Like, you see, it is the opposite of sine. Cos theta is given by number of fingers above that square rooted divided by 2. Okay, number of fingers above that square rooted divided by. Now let's start finding out the values of all these angles for cos. So cos 0 will be equal to number of fingers above. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root of 4 square root of 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So for cos 0, not theta, mind you, cos 0. Correct. Now cos 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Number of fingers above 1, 2, 3. So root over 3 by 2. That's the value of cos 30 degree. Fingers, right fingers. So cos 45 degree is, this is 45 degree, number of fingers above 1, 2. So root over 2 by 2. That I explained, it is same as 1 by root 2. Correct? Then cos 60 degree is number of fingers above 1 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. Right? Cos 90 degree, number of fingers 0. So cos 90 degree is equal to root over 0 by 2, which is 0. So these are the values of cos 30, 0, 30, 45 and 60. And look at this. So this was our hand trick for cos. Move on to tan. Now tan theta is given by root over of number of fingers below divided by root over number of fingers above. Right? So let us find out tan 0. Let's start right from the top. Tan 0 is number of fingers below 0. Number of fingers above 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 0. Right? Tan 30. Remember the fingers. So tan 30 will be number of fingers below root over 1. Number of fingers above 1, 2, 3. So 1 by root 3. Correct? Tan 60. Number of fingers below 1, 2, 3. Root over 3. Number of fingers above 1. So root 3. Correct? Tan 90. Number of fingers below 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of fingers above 0. So 4 by 0. Not defined. We miss the value of tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree number of fingers below 1, 2. Number of fingers above 1, 2 is equal to 1. So these are the values of tan 45 degree. Then all tan 0, tan 30, tan 60, tan 45, tan 90. Correct? So this is, mind you, you use your left hand, all right. You can use your right hand also, but the thumb should be pointing downwards. Otherwise, you get wrong values. Correct? Right? You are with Have Fun and Learn, and I am JP Datta. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and please share, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Bye bye. Till next class.